How to get 10,000 TikTok followers. Gaining 10,000 TikTok followers requires dedication, hard work, and staying committed over a prolonged period. Here is a simple guide that provides step-by-step instructions to increase the number of people following you on TikTok. 1. Make interesting and persuasive content. Find your area of specialization. Concentrate on a particular area or subject that captivates your interest. This could include comedy skits, dancing, educational content, or DIY tutorials. Make sure your videos are of good quality, with clear visuals and expert editing. Make your content interesting, relatable, and easy to share to motivate viewers to engage with it. 2. Be consistent. Post often. Try to share something at least once every day or a few times within a week. Being consistent helps keep your audience interested and brings in new followers. Best posting times. Try different times to see when your audience is most active and plan your posts accordingly. 3. Use popular hashtags and challenges. Use popular and relevant hashtags to make your content easier to find. Join popular challenges to reach more people. Be smart in following trends. Add your touch to popular challenges or create content that is related to popular topics while still being authentic to your style. 4. Connect with your audience. Interact with comments. Connect with your audience by replying to their comments and encouraging a feeling of togetherness. Conduct live sessions. Respond to inquiries. And engage with your audience in real time through Q&A. 5. Work together. Work with others. Work together with other TikTokers or creators in your specific field. This can make your content seen by the people who follow them, which can help you get more attention. Connect with the community. Show support by following, liking, and commenting on the content of other users who share similar interests. Interacting with the community can result in mutually beneficial engagement. 6. Improve profile. Improve your profile. Choose an appealing picture. Create an interesting bio. And add a call to action, CTA, to persuade others to follow you. Cross-promotion. Share your TikTok content on other social media platforms to get more people to see it and gain followers from various platforms. 7. Keep track of data and gain knowledge from the information obtained. TikTok Analytics. Utilize TikTok's analytics to comprehend which kind of content works well and when your audience is most engaged. Change your plan according to these observations. 8. Be genuine and captivating. Express yourself. Be true to yourself and let your unique personality come across in what you share. Being genuine aids in creating a devoted group of fans. Aim to create content that viewers like and want to share with their friends, which will help you reach more people naturally. Don't forget that it takes time, patience, and perseverance to grow a large number of followers on TikTok. Be authentic to your style. Try out different ways of presenting content. And make sure to regularly interact with your audience. As time passes, your hard work will help increase the number of people following you.